tell you my experience with this. Stands, NoTubes, tire sealant. We have extensive experience with this in mountain biking. We use it all the time. It seals thorn leaks. It keeps the tire on the rim in a tubeless environment, and what that basically means is you take the tubes out of the tire, you seal all of the spoke holes on the rim with either factory Stands sealant tape, or we actually use Gorilla Tape. We use duct tape for that as well. And then you put in about 2 ounces of this stuff. You can run it. It will keep your tires inflated. It will help seal cracks. It's kind of funny, after a year or so you'll have little balls or BBs or globs in it. So you can take it out, pour the old stuff out. Even if you do blow a tire off the rim, what's still in the tire, you can still use it. But once again, made in the USA, this is a great product if you're into mountain biking. I know it works for road bike tires. I know it'll seal tires on tractors and little kids' bikes and stuff, but for extensive, extreme downhill mountain biking, we've used this a lot. Having 2 kids that are professional mountain bike riders, once again, something I would buy all the time. Buy it in the biggest bottle you can, because you'll need it.